Share ko lang sa inyo guys yung experience ko dito sa Sony WH-1000XM6. Bagong labas lang to. And I would say na this is definitely a very, very nice experience. Priced at around 27,000 pesos. I would say na medyo a bit pricey siya. Pero once na nagamit mo siya, hindi mo masasabi na sobra siya mahal. Kasi I think it's worth every penny na binabayaran mo dito sa kanya. First stop is yung kanyang comfort fit. It gives me really a good fit compared to any other headphones out there in the market. Talagang experience ang binibili mo kay Sony. Now, siguro yung packaging niya, I honestly would say could have been better. Pero I think this is made out of yung recyclable material. Kaya ganito yung tsura niya. Maganda kanyang noise cancelling dito. Probably one of the better ones or probably one of the best ones out there in the market. Yung kanyang playback time, 30 hours is definitely good. Perfect na perfect to pair listen music sa Spotify. Talagang ma-enjoy mo. Lalo yung bass, especially when I'm trying to listen to mga songs ng Maroon 5, okay na okay. Lately, pinapatugtog ko dito, si Golden, si Soda Pop, okay na okay, no? Hiniram din ng anak ko tong headphones ko just to try it out. And natutuwa naman siya. Ganito itsura ng kanyang packaging. This you can carry around. And ganito itsura niya sa loob. Together, you have dito is a to C cable. Pero I was hoping na they put in a C to C cable kasi most of the people nowadays use a C to C cable and meron kang quick start guide dito sa loob. Now, in terms of yung kanyang design factor, yung logo niya nandito, Sony, no, you can retract, no, or extend yung tong headband mo. Depende sa laki ng ulo mo, no. And one of the best thing dito is yung kanyang cushion dito. Hindi siya irritable dahil okay na okay siya suotin, no. For me, personally, as a music lover, and if you're trying to mag-jogging, like jogging, no, pwede mong dalhin to or just walking around just to fill up yung pedometer mo up to 10,000 steps. Pwede mo isama to. And of course, dito sa ilalim, you got your power button over here. Meron ka pang audio jack dito in case mahilig ka pa rin gumamit ng mga audio jack. Okay na okay siya. Dito yung charging port, USB Type-C. No? And of course, yung kanyang noise cancelling button is nandito. Maganda ka noise cancelling definitely kasi it drowns out all, if not all, most yung mga unnecessary noise out there. No? So if you want one of these Sony na bagong headphones,